what do you do when you've gone through another surgery, like your last one, that greatly helps your mind and body to heal again and feel better? And that you could also recommend to anyone who is recovering from something, whether it is a surgery or something entirely different?
It has to do with tuning your sensory perception. It's a learning process. Like, what could help is also going back into your like childhood, not memories, but when you were a child, you knew exactly what you needed, And like, okay, how can you bring back fun into your recovery process? Like, what would you do as a child now when you are ill at home and you could just like freely choose? Like mom and dad are saying, yeah, now you're ill, you can choose. What would you do? Like this kind of curiosity, like childish curiosity in a positive way, maybe could help you to not like have this goggle of like, yeah, but I'm like this or I'm like that, and always do it in this way. Like it's like be open and maybe try something new, and have an open curiosity. And I think the second very simple trick is just try it, like trial and error. I learned a lot. I mean, it's with training and running and races. You have to try and say, oh, okay, this drink I like. No, next time I take another sports drink. Okay, this food, when I eat it, after that I feel good or I feel sluggy. Okay, maybe I have to like trial and error, and then you will find your own recipe.
Very true. I
mean, and what you also could do, like as a third tip, is like check out other people, like find a role model.
Yeah.
And then just copy what they do and see how it feels. Always check like how it feels, but you will get inspiration from other people and they will tell you what they do, and then just try for yourself.
Yeah, that could be super helpful actually. So you don't have to start from zero, but can already kind of go on the feedback or the experiences from other people, right?
Yes, and you will never find the one role model, but you will find different like a palette, and then you can like put together your own system.